Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Click that subscribe button. And if you're not new, then thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about how to become an influencer. I have learned a lot of things and I've done a lot of research on it, and I think it could be really beneficial to y'all because I have grown in what I feel like is a short amount of time. My goal was to become monetized on YouTube within a year of starting my channel. I was actually monetized before that year ever hit. I went from 600 followers on Instagram to 12,000 something within a year. So I feel like I'm not super well versed in the realm of becoming an influencer, but I am knowledgeable enough to help you. So that's what we're gonna do here today. I have my notes here, so if you see me looking over, I wrote everything down on my laptop because I want to make sure that I explain everything thoroughly and I don't miss a beat in any of it. The first thing you need to do when you are trying to become an influencer or you want to become an influencer is think about your niche. Is it going to be that you are a mom influencer, mom vlogger, blogger, mom Instagram person? Is it that you're going to target the beauty community with makeup, or are you going to do both? Like I kind of do both now. They're two things that I'm very passionate about. It could be anything, fashion, or if you are into finances, there are so many different niches, but the first thing you need to do is figure out where your niche is, who your target audience is going to be. You also need to be knowledgeable about those things. If you're a beauty influencer, you need to be knowledgeable about makeup because people value your opinion. If you don't know what you're talking about, why would they value your opinion? Why would they want to follow you? Why would they want to subscribe to your channel? You also need to create valuable content and be consistent with that content. I'm going to use the word valuable a lot because it's important. You need to be consistent in the content you create, consistently offering people insight on different things, teaching them something. Like this video right now, I'm teaching you something. I'm offering value to you. So you need to keep that in mind also because that's really important to growing your following and having them stay and engage with you. Once you've gained their trust, they're going to come back because they value your opinion, they trust you, they feel like you will morally lead them into the right direction of whatever it is, how to arch your eyebrows beautifully, or this is the new summer dress. They'll believe you because they trust you. You don't want to be like the boy who cried wolf, where, you keep lying or getting caught doing things and then people don't trust you. They don't value your opinion. They're not going to come back to listen to you, to look at your content, to watch your videos. For instance, I had a company reach out to me and it was about a waist trainer. I did a waist trainer video a while ago. Apparently, one of the waist trainers I did say I did not like and I thought it was horrible. And that company actually reached out to me and asked me if they could send me some products and I could review them, that they'd changed the way they made their products and their products were different and all of these things. And they would love it if they could send me some items and I could do a review for my channel on them. And I told them that was fine, but normally when I do videos like that, I do 3 or more items, and they needed to keep in mind that I always give my honest opinion. So if that item has not changed in any way, I don't like that item doesn't work, whatever the flaws may be, I will mention that. And they never emailed me back. But my integrity means a lot to me. You all trusting me means a lot to me. In general, in life, outside of the influencer world, what I say I stand behind, and that's important to me. Okay, y'all, had to take a quick break. The girls just woke up from their nap. Outside of being an influencer, number one, I am always a mama, but let's keep it going here. So another thing that can help you grow your channel and become an influencer, honestly, is being authentic. Being the real you. When I first started YouTube, I was so self-conscious. I felt stupid saying, hey, subscribe to my channel. I felt like I was being needy, or I was asking you to please be my friend. And I just wasn't secure in myself, secure in front of the camera, secure taking pictures. I wasn't being my full authentic self because I was so uncomfortable with where that whole thing was, the lights, the cameras, the everything. I was uncomfortable. Eventually, I started to become more authentic, more of the real me, And my channel started to grow, and my following on Instagram especially started to grow, because in the beginning I was always trying to take the perfect pictures, and I realized I'm a mom. It's so hard to get those perfect pictures when you have so much other things going on in your life, that I started posting pictures of the kids in their pajamas. And you know what? People loved it because it's real. It's the real life. Be authentic in the content that you create, because hair messy, juice on the pajamas, that's life. Be authentic, be the real you, because people appreciate that and people relate to that. Another thing you need to do is engage with your audience. So when someone comments on your posts or your videos or whatever it is, your TikToks, engage with them, talk to them, ask them questions, try to keep the conversation going, because the engagement helps. If people are commenting, then YouTube or Instagram or wherever will say, hey, this post or this video is really good, let's push it. You ask them questions and you continue to have a conversation back and forth. That helps your engagement, and that helps these different platforms say, hey, this must be really good, let's push this out, let's promote this to more people. So engaging, and not just that, but when you engage with your followers and your subscribers, they get to know you a little bit better. There's a connection that you start to build with them, and they come back because you've built this relationship with them, this personal one-on-one, and that's really important. I feel like there have been times where, and I'm going to say this, and I've spoken about her before, Raquel, she has a channel, Look Cute Nurse. She does makeup videos. I started watching her years ago, right after I got married and we lived in Japan. And eventually I found her again a few months ago, and I started commenting on her stuff, and she's like responded to me and like watched my videos, and y'all don't know, like that feels so amazing. As somebody who is a fan of someone else and they comment and respond, it feels really good. Like I feel special. That's how your followers and your subscribers will feel, hopefully, if you responded to them. That's how I feel when she responds to me. I go to my husband and I said, oh my God, guess who just like subscribed to my channel? I literally ran to him and told him, guess who subscribed to my channel? Because he knows her, because I talked about her all the time. So keep that in mind when it comes to engaging. You're building a relationship with these people, and it's a genuine, nice, long-lasting, hopefully, relationship that you build. The next thing you're going to want to do is research. You want to research, because Google is out there. YouTube is out there. You're watching it now. You're actually researching now because you're watching this video. But you want to research the top hashtags, the trending hashtags, and which apps to use, which companies to tag, and what is the best for that specific post. Like if I'm posting a picture of the kids at the beach, I'm not going to put hashtag shopping all day or something like that. Pick the things that actually work, and you can research which are the trending hashtags. You can also look into different programs that help you figure this out. I personally use Morning Fame. Morning Fame helps me pick all of my tags for my videos. It helps me pick my titles. It is tailored specifically to my channel. It's very similar to TubeBuddy, but I personally like it a little better. It is an invite-only program. I think it's $10 or $12 a month. I'll link it below. There's a trial, so you can try it for like a day or 2 days or something before you actually buy it. My friend invited me. I bought it right then because of everything she told me about it, and I'm glad I did, and I use it. And some of my videos, like my fat cavitation device video, I used tags. I used Morning Fame to get those tags, and literally that video has 30-something thousand. That video has 30-something thousand views. Like, that's crazy for a channel like me. But it's because Morning Fame really helped me get there. You also need to learn about editing and equipment and lighting. Lighting was really hard for me in the beginning. I learned about presets for editing my pictures, but lighting for filming was really hard for me to figure out. There are a ton of videos out there on YouTube that will tell you about lighting, but right now, obviously, daylight, sunlight is the best form of lighting, but I have 2 soft boxes here. I have a ring light in front of me. It took me a long time to figure out how to get my lighting the way I wanted it. It was either too bright or it was too dark. So I would definitely say do research on lighting and figure out what works best for you in whichever room you're filming in. If you're taking pictures, you can use presets. They have really cheap ones on Etsy. I would definitely recommend that. That's what I use. But you need to do some research on that because that will be a game changer for the quality of your content. Also, research apps. I use different apps that help me make my thumbnails, help me make the little thing that pops up that says subscribe, or my Instagram logo. Like I use different, I use different apps that help me do all that. So research different apps, but some of the apps I use are obviously Canva because that's a major app that everybody uses for sizing. I also use Superimpose X. So if you want a video or you just want to know which apps I use, leave me a comment and I will put a list of them somewhere or make a video. Also, I want to say you need to be patient. You need to be patient. Let me just add this in. Yesterday, I went on Facebook. I looked at my Facebook memories and there was a post from 1 year ago that said, oh my gosh, I have 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. And a year later, I'm at almost 2,000 subscribers. I was patient. I was excited about every single milestone I hit, whether it was 50, 100, 1,000. I was excited about it. I get excited about comments, everything, likes, all of that. Be patient when it comes to this because unless you have something go viral, it's not going to happen overnight. Also, there's a lot of work that comes with being a content creator. There have been many late nights. Last night, I was up until 1 in the morning sitting on the couch editing videos and doing research. The night before, I was up until 1 in the morning editing a video. Like there are a lot of late nights and times where your family, they're having a great time. They're watching a movie or my husband is taking a nap and I'm in here filming or I'm researching different things like this video. I had to research a lot and write. I have an extreme amount of notes over here. So keep that in mind. Also, do not worry. At some point, I'm sure you're gonna want to give up. I was there. I just didn't give up. And now I'm here. I'm here and I have my lights situated the way I like them and I have my setup situated and it just takes time. But there are going to be times where you want to give up, when you're going to say, you know what, screw this, I'm over it. The editing is hard. No. The editing is hard. Nobody's watching my videos. I only have 20 views. Get happy about those 20 views. I was happy about them. I am still happy about them. Editing is hard. I still have my very first video up and it's horrible and I will never delete it because it shows the growth. It shows how far I've come and it shows my babies. And as a mom, I love to see those memories still. So keep all of that in mind. Don't compare yourself to others. Do not compare yourself to others. You compare yourself to yourself from the day before. Always try to do better the next day, but don't compare yourself to others because everybody's situation is different. And I'm pretty sure you can buy subscribers or you can buy followers or there's a number of different things that people do because money can buy you a lot of things. So don't compare yourself to other people because it's just not healthy and it's not helpful. The last thing I want to say, and I always say this, I have said it from the beginning and it will never change. Promote yourself. Say it with me. Promote yourself. If you don't promote yourself, why would anybody else? Why would your friends? Why would your family? Why would strangers? Why would just other people who might watch your video? Why would they promote you? Why would they share your content? If you're not willing to do it yourself, have faith in yourself and promote yourself. I have t-shirts that I've made with my channel name and my logo. I post every video on Facebook, on my Instagram stories. I promote myself. If you want to promote yourself right now, drop your channel, drop your Instagram in the comments. Everybody go and follow and subscribe to everybody. Help everybody out. It is important to trust and believe in yourself. I will say my husband is the #1 supporter of all of this. If I say I need a light, or I want to do this, I want to vlog that, he is right there. He is looking it up. When I said I should get a logo, he was looking up logos. Like, he is on it. He was helping me make shirts, everything. So, you know, you have to have a strong support system when you're trying to do something like this, and not everybody understands it. My husband wants nothing to do with any of this, but he supports everything that I do. So find people who support you, promote yourself, like, get it out there, get the work done, share it with everybody. Ask your friends to share it. Ask your mom to share it. Like, do not feel embarrassed. That's all I want to say. Just promote yourself. That is number one, because if you don't do it, no one else will. Okay, so that's all I've got for you. I've got to go get the kids a snack and everything now. I hope you made it this far. I hope this video really helps y'all out. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.